Yes, another Android 12 video. So in this video we will have a look at BlizzRoam 15.0, which is based on Android 12, and as you can see it is using Predator Stormbreaker X 4.8. So there is no customization at all, only Monet is enabled by default, and they also remove battery percentage indicator from battery settings. Even with System UI Tuner it doesn't work. Display settings is also similar to Veep Project and Arrow OS. Wallpaper and style is working completely fine, and there is no option to enable themed icon as the stock launcher is quick step. Also Monet is enabled by default. Under security features there are no extra features available for security. So here are the gestures that we can find in this custom ROM. System UI Tuner is enabled by default, and from here you can do some tweaking. As you can see, changing battery option from here doesn't show battery percentage at all. So most of the thing is similar to stock Android and doesn't include any extra customization. Also the safety net is passed by default. For rooted users you just need to enable Magisk Card. Also the wideband is L1 by default. So here is the result of CPU throttling test with stock kernel, and I'm using beast mode version 3 with it. Also the threads were set to 20, and I can't share Geekbench result because it crashed while it was running.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
Gaming performance with stock kernel was a little bit laggy and it was not so great to play, so I used Beast Mode version 3 and it works perfectly smooth. Playing games without Beast Mode version 3 will be quite good, but if you don't want any lags then go for Beast Mode version 3 with this ROM. Also as usual I recorded this gameplay at 720p. So the bug that I faced was navigation pill doesn't appear on bottom when I switch to landscape. It is very rare bug though, and there are no other bugs that I faced. So in the end I can say that this custom ROM can be used as a daily driver as it works perfectly smooth and there are no issues with UI or anything else. Just the bug that I mentioned is the only thing. If you want to play heavy games like Call of Duty, BGMI or anything else, then use Beast Mode version 3 with it. It will work completely fine without any worries. Or you can use any modules that you like, just make sure that it supports Android 12. So now the only thing that this custom ROM need is customization. And then this custom ROM can be the most stable custom ROM which is based on Android 12 for Lavender. So I would say that you should give it a try as well. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram.
Dancing on the moon.